Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the inbox work for you. Enable focused inbox and confirm account sync so messages appear reliably. Once done, create 3 folders: Action, Waiting, Archive, because minimal structure prevents chaos. Then apply the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Otherwise, move it to Action or Waiting. This speeds your flow and reduces decision fatigue. Make sure to flag truly urgent mail so it stands out visually and in searches. Next, automate repetitive work so Outlook handles routine sorting. Create rules that send newsletters and receipts to dedicated folders, and route team mail to project folders. Once rules run, build quick steps for one-click actions like Reply plus Archive or Create Meeting from Email that cuts clicks. Also apply categories and color coding to tag project, client, or priority. You'll find items at a glance. These steps save minutes every day and keep your attention on higher value tasks, not filing. To finish, lock in a rhythm. Schedule a 15-minute daily review and a weekly cleanup to maintain order. Then create search folders for common queries like unread or action items so you never lose focus. If something goes wrong, mail not syncing or missing folders, restart Outlook first. Next, check account server settings and clear the local cache if needed. If rules misfire, temporarily disable them and reapply. These final steps keep the system reliable and easy to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.